Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. As you can see in front of me, I have this gorgeous box. It's from Live Love Posh. I'm going to unbox it with you guys and show you what's in it. So this is her anniversary box. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you what's in here. For those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. For all of you who just found me, welcome. I hope you like it here. Okay, here we go. This is proving to be a little bit more tricky than expected. Okay. It's packaged very well. Whoa. There we go. Okay, let's unbox this. So it comes with a sticker book. It's just a little bubble wrap in here. And let me lift this out and show you what comes here in here. Okay, so that's one box. So we have these beautiful paper clips. I think this is the mug. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You guys take a look at this. I love the color and I love the shape and I think it's so beautiful. This will live in my craft room for sure. It comes with this really beautiful storage. Let's take a look. And it has her name on the bottom. She does so well with putting her name on all of this stuff, which I love. Okay, so this is the storage box. It's gorgeous, right? And I'm probably one of her biggest fans. I always go crazy over her books. Let me go ahead and do a flip through for you guys. And after I do that, I will go ahead and show you how many books you can fit in here. So that's just her thank you card. This one's different. Let's go ahead and go over all of these beautiful stickers. So it starts with this background sticker. Let me go ahead and move this. Okay, so it starts with this background sticker. So it's on a pink background and these are foil. Oh, look at these. We have seen these before. I love them. And then this. Oh, we have seen these as well. These were in her individual sheets. And then we have some boxes. Oh my gosh, that was on her some of the individual sheets as well. And so was this, I think. I love those. Then we have some boxes. Okay, these are gorgeous, right? So there's 2 pages of these. I love these vibrant ones. And these, oh wow. Any stickers that she does are just, I feel like they're catered to me for some reason. Okay, and then we have boxes. And then look at these. Oh my lord. They're beautiful. And then these are very pastel-y with that vibrant green. And I did a spread with these from her individual sheets. This was one of my favorites. And then you get more boxes. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of her sticker books in here. I have a lot. I have a lot of them. So let's see how many fit, because I have multiples. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well, there's 17 books that can fit in here. Like I said, with her books, I usually get multiples because I absolutely love them so much. I probably will arrange them according to date, but there's quite a few that fit in here. So I could probably fit 2 more, maybe 1 more. So yeah, there's a lot of books that can fit into this. And this storage is just so beautiful and elegant. And it completely matches my craft room. If you guys saw my stories, you saw that my chandelier is very glam and gold. So this will just match my new craft room so perfectly. I had to get it. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I can show you these clips too, because there's 2 separate clips in those. And her containers are just so cute. Excuse the foil noise. So I'm gonna cut this one. Just gonna grab a knife. There. Let's go ahead and cut it open. Oh, this just slides. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, there's a glue right there. It's so perfect that I couldn't even see it. Okay, perfect. So there's 2 sets of different clips in here. There's one that's this shape. So I'll show you. So when you put it on a page, it looks like this. And then the other one is kind of fun as well. It will look like this. So these clips are definitely cute and fun. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Have a great day. Bye.